5 tips for a cleanse after overeating. Hi, I'm Sam, and I really know the feeling of a bad digestion due to a sluggish colon, which results in low energy, headaches, and an overall uncomfortable feeling in the body. And like you, most of the stuff about colon cleanse I've tried didn't really work well for me. But it wasn't until I tried the following 5 tips for colon cleansing after eating too much and turned them into habits that I started seeing fast improvement with my colon health. Are you ready for them? Here we go. Tip number 1. Keep your body hydrated. Lack of hydration will result in a not properly working digestion. Keeping your body hydrated is really important to flush out waste and toxins from your body. Drinking water will keep you feeling more filled. It's alright to drink water alongside meals, however keep it to a base while eating. Some hot soup will help keep you feeling more filled and can be utilized as an appetizer before your main dish, so you will eat less food. Avoid drinking carbonated water, soda, powdered juice or artificial juice, as these contain excessive amounts of sugar. Tea is totally fine just as long as it's without sugar and you don't take more than 2 glasses in a day. Tip number 2. Don't sleep. After you eat your meal, stop resting. Taking in calories excessively near the time you go to bed will be hard for your body to digest. Your body burns calories when you're at rest far less than as when you're active over the course of the day. Tip number 3. Schedule your meals. Whether you believe it or not, planning your meals will help your metabolism rate. However, it keeps you on your eating plan. The vast majority will get so caught up during the day that they neglect to eat or get something on the run. That isn't a decent decision. Ordering food isn't a good choice, as most delivery food is full of chemicals and cheap ingredients. It makes you feel bloated and sick. Therefore, schedule your meals and prepare them accordingly by yourself. Skipping meals is a terrible thought. Eating regularly and the right amount of food each time is much better for your metabolism and digestive system. Tip number 4. Exercise regularly. Exercising helps you a lot to keep your weight in check. Also, it helps to burn off calories and get rid of toxins in your body. So, choose your preferred exercise and plan it into your schedule each day. It will make you feel much more energized and keeps you in a good mood as well. Tip number 5. Detoxification Program. Discover a detoxification program that you can stick to. When picking a cleansing treatment, pick one that fits your lifestyle. The main point is to improve your health by getting rid of toxins in your body. Especially what you eat and drink has a major impact on your colon health. A few decent cleansing fasts are juice fasting and water fasting. On a juice fast, you can drink all the leafy fruits juices you like, such as carrot, apple, beet, and celery. All those food items are suitable to do a colon cleanse diet. Ideally, you should do it for 1 to 3 days, depending on the effectiveness of your colon cleanse. On the other side, if you want to attempt a water fast, you should simply drink water throughout the day. Water will flush out your body, wipe out poisons, and re-establish your vitality. The outcome is a refined body and psyche. You will likely drink at least 12 glasses of water a day to flush out all toxins out of your body. Not only does it release waste from your body, but it will also result in better looking skin as it gets more hydrated. There you have it. Work all 5 of those into your daily routine and within a week or 2 you will notice significant changes in your colon health. But usually something more powerful is required to colon cleanse faster and without preparation of special meals and drinks during your busy days. Luckily, there are some other all-natural but high-powered home treatments out there that can improve your colon health fast and easy. To learn more about a powerful colon cleanse treatment called Bowtroll Colon Cleanser that works fast and super easy from home, just go to coloncleansehelper.com/fast or click on the link in the video description below. By the way, this is just a testimonial from Amber, who is regularly using Bowtroll Colon Cleanser. Just have a quick look what she has to say about her results.
I am constantly feeling bloated, dull, and not really well. But by chance, I stumbled across an ad for Bowtroll, and I tried it right away. I took the pills at night, and by the next morning, I had amazing results.
So, as you can see, Bowtroll works great for Amber and many other people. So again, you can get Bowtroll in the link below or go to coloncleansehelper.com/fast. Type that in or click the link in the video description below. My name is Sam and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can find any video I release whenever I release them. Also, watch one of my other videos to improve your colon health. Share this video with your friends and comment below if you have any questions for me. I'm happy to help. I'll see you in the next video.